This time we're supposed to determine the color bands for the following resistors. Please notice that all of them have resistance less than 1 ohm. You're supposed to keep in mind that the very first digit on the resistor cannot be 0. How are we supposed to solve this problem? You're supposed to go to the very first significant digit in this value. I have 2. So I can rewrite this as 20 times 100. 20 times 100 gives me 2 tens. So I'm going to have colors red, black, and silver, because the third band represents the multiplier. Silver represents the multiplier 10 to negative 2, which is simply equivalent to 1/100. And my tolerance is supposed to be 5%, which is gold. This is the color code for this resistance. Let's take a look at the second example. I have 0.15. What I have to do first, I have to copy these two significant digits. I have 1, 5, 15. And I have to multiply 15 by 100 in order to get this value. Colors for this resistor are going to be brown, green, and silver, because the third band represents the multiplier, and silver is 10 to negative 2, simply 100. That's why I'm going to have silver over here. Silver, and I'm supposed to have 10% tolerance. 10% tolerance is also represented by silver. Remember, this silver band represents the multiplier. This silver band on the fourth position represents the tolerance. So this is the color code for this resistance. Let's take a look at the third example. Again, I'm supposed to go to the significant figures. I have 47. I have to multiply this by 100. 47 times 100 is going to give me 0.47. The color code for this resistance is going to be 4 is yellow, 7 is violet, 100 is silver, and I have tolerance 5%, which is gold. This is the color code for this resistance.